Hello, I am going to show you how to use the Smart Learning for our math this week. All right, so here we go. We're going to click on our handout when we get there. All right, so we have a word little story here, and I have a helper today to help me with this, I guess. So we are going to look and read this. It says cookies cost $1. The customer pays with a $5 bill. Drag the customer's change to their hand. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to figure out how much total change our customer is going to get. So we're going to start with the amount that the customer pays. So in this one, it's $5. Okay. And then our cookies cost $1. And now that we have that, we're going to subtract to find our change. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0 again. And now 5 minus 1 is 4. Now to add a decimal place, we can come over here and use our pen if we want to show we have $4. Okay, so step 2, we're going to use our money box here to pay the customer the amount of change. So we're going to give our customer $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. $4. And then when we're done with this activity, up in the corner over here, it's going to say done. Make sure you click done because then it saves it and I can see the work that you did. All right. Thank you guys and have fun with this week. Bye.